Hello ladies and gentlemen, James here. As you can see, I'm out here in downtown Columbus, Ohio. Wanted to do a video shoot, but I wanted to do it in a way to see what is the best quality kind of camera. What I have is a Sony 5X optical 2000, and right here I have the 4X micropix microphone, and I got a 2.7 high definition, and this is the box I got them in, like the digital. This is like the camera, and this is the 4X one, and you could do video blogging and things like that. It has a Wi-Fi signal, has nice shot, has one is got a couple camera bags. This one, hold on 1 minute, bear with me a second. This one is a 27K that has a remote control, so you can stand back, and control the menu options. And they both got more controls. They both have these. They both come with these things, and they both come with the lens. Both of these come with the lenses. They come with the batteries. Hold on. Hold on 1 minute. Yeah, I got one, got two, and here's this one, and here is the one that goes on that one over here. I was trying to see if I can get a drone shot, but you got them wires over there, and I don't, you take off, that thing probably wouldn't come down. You gotta be careful, like going near airports and shit and commercial buildings. So I figured that I'd come over here, but I wanted to show you what it looks like, how it looks, what it looks like from here. And that was the 27K. This is the 4.7K, and it got a removable bar and things like that, but it the same kind of quality. I'm going to upload these to my YouTube channel, so upload these to, let's see which. Morning. This would look like from the front. But yeah, I'm gonna upload these to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is James Thomas. And I probably load up the Facebook too. My Facebook is Jimmy Thomas on my Facebook, and I'm trying to load these programs. But this is what they look like. Let me go ahead and shut this down. I don't want to burn too much battery life. But yeah, I just want to make a little quick. I don't have a stable bar, but I just wanted to make a quick thing. And I brought a little buddy of mine. I want to show you. Dun. My pterodactyl. My pterodactyl. Let's see if he's feeling like being up for a walk today. How's he feeling today? And so we'll go on from there. See what he do. Let's see if he's up in the mood for it. Oh, what you gonna do, buddy? See if he's up for it. Oh, I thought he was going to work today. Yeah. Well, anyway, that's been the pterodactyl. I don't know what's going on with him. He just yes. Uh-oh, there he is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, here. Come on now. Come on. Oh, come on now. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh. Give me some. Look like he's ready to move. So we just gonna dance, huh? What else you gonna do? Uh-oh. He gonna roar. Oh no. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on, bud. But anyway, I guess he don't feel like doing much today, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, okay. I guess he's trying to. He's still breakdancing, or he's giving his little dance. He's doing a little shake upon. Shake it, pterodactyl. That's it. Do your thing, pterodactyl. There you go. Come on, boy. Hey, hey, pterodactyl. Hey, do the boogie. Hey, 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 hey. That's right. Get up, get down. Hey, get pterodactyl. Hey, do the boogie. That's right. Shake that tail. Hey, hey, shake the boogie. Oh. What you up to now? Okay. Stand up. Okay. We going back to our pterodactyl walk. Okay. Do you think? Hey, pterodactyl. Hey, pterodactyl. Hey, pterodactyl. Hey, pterodactyl. Hey. Pterodactyl. Hey. Do your thing. Do you think, pterodactyl? Hey, pterodactyl. Hey. What's up? There you go. You about to tear somebody up on you. Uh-oh. You gonna tear something up out here, ain't you? That's what you about to do. Uh-oh. Lord. Uh-oh. 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 There you go. There you go. Hey, pterodactyl. Hey, do the big slide. Do the big slide. Do the pterodactyl slide. Coming to you live from Scioto Park. Pterodactyl.